Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Take It Simple YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can invite someone on ClickUp app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the ClickUp app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface of the ClickUp apps on the screen, where you can see there is a invite option at the top right corner of this screen. And if you tap on the more option, which is at the bottom right corner of this section, so once you tap on that more, you can also see there is a invite user, so you can choose any of them. So let me choose that on the top one. So let me tap on it, and you can see it is asking us to keep a email address. So you simply need to enter a email address of the user, and finally tap on the invite, and yeah, the user gonna receive the invitation link of yours, and you'll be able to invite someone on ClickUp app successfully. So let me close this one and let me show another one as well. So if you tap on the more, you can see invite users. So let's tap on the invite users, and you can see the process gonna be same. So yeah, basically this is how you can invite someone on ClickUp. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.